In this video, I'm going to show you how I build round tabletops. Now, I've built quite a few, so many round tables that I went on to create a free configurator tool that it makes easy to do all the math. So the configurator tool is free to use, and you just input your desired round table diameter in the top field, and then you input the desired board that you want to use. So it starts with a 1x6. In this video, I'm going to use a 1x12, so I'm going to adjust that to 11.25 inches, and this gives me the cutlass, which I'll need for at 48 inches. And then it will give me the octagon underframe support system, and these are going to be, in this case, 1x6s that are cut at 22.5 degrees. I'll just take the cuts from the configurator over to my miter saw, make all those cuts at a 22.5 degree off square angle, and then drill pocket holes on one end. And then I can just attach all 8 of the boards together to create a giant octagon. Now this is outlined in the link in the description in greater detail, with exactly what tools I'm using and everything you need to be successful at doing this. So once I get the frame done, I can move on to actually building the tabletop. And these are just the 1x12s that I planked together with 3/4 inch pocket holes and 1 1/4 inch pocket hole screws. And then I can attach the underframe to the underside of the tabletop. And see, it all works out with the configurator. You don't have to make mistakes. The math is just perfect. Now I just use, you can use different things, but I have this jig, which is just a piece of 1/4 inch plywood. I find the center of the tabletop and then screw that jig to the center. You can see there's like a little 1x2 on the end, and that's a guide for my circular saw. And I can just rotate the guide around and cut off any excess that extends beyond the guide. And this will eventually get me a circle, because a circle is just a bunch of really tiny straight lines. I'll also leave the link to the more instructions on how to build this jig. You could also use a router, or you can buy a store-bought jig. And then I just sand everything really, really well. And that, friends, is how I build round tabletops using simple tools right in a small home workshop.